vergeleken bij net.
Yeah, but John, I can complain to you and not against my mom.
Wat?
And she has to do it like this.
Oh, look out.
I like a lot this.
Yeah, something
Yes,
like
I
that.
know.
I know you don't like onions, but with this it goes
Yeah,
well.
okay. Little bit.
And then
You like the cheese? What no?
try, try, try.
You didn't try it yet.
I tell it here.
Try big piece. I promise you, you will like it.
Ik denk dat ik met plezier mee moet.
It's yummy. You're right then. Really
You know what the good part is?
Dit is een andere kaart, hè?
You're not going to be sick. No?
No diarrhea.
Nou, ook zo.
Which one?
Dit was toen deze in mijn suitcase.
Yeah, it's really nice.
No, it was in the airplane. Everything is almost frozen.
Ja, maar toch.
€6.
6 euro. Ja. 6,5 ons.
Yummy.
Ja, ik denk
No.
10 euro de kilo.
Nog in de pakjes.
Yeah, but oh.
But I did that.
I don't like.
Yeah, but she's klaar.
You want anything else? No bread? With these?
It's alright. It's good, really good.
You want to try
I
it?
like it.
You want to try it like this? Now you can slice a piece off and then with some onion in one time.
Wat doe dan?
No.
That's too long.
You like it too?
Super. One more.
You want to eat cheese on your herring, John? Oh, here. There's a piece from Max left over. He doesn't like it.
I get it.
Yeah. No, this herring, it's more or less seasonal when it's fresh. But they say when this is in the country,
Yeah.
then the doctors have nothing to do anymore.
Really?
Like it's so healthy that you won't get sick anymore.
Okay.
And it is kind of true.
If you have a cold,
Yeah.
and you eat this, then go better.
How much is this?
What, money wise?
Yeah.
€2.
I like.
For one.
I like this
Okay.
too.
So 100 peso.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
What?
Daddy, he likes this too. A
Yeah,
lot.
a lot.
I will eat like this.
Shall I make a new bread for you?
Yeah, in the
More?
onions?
Yeah, with the onion.
No?
Onion.
Yeah, show them.
You have eaten that?
Later I want to.
Yes, that's the Dutch way. Nou, de kosten op voor je.
But like this cheese is only 300 peso.
Oh, that's cheap. But here expensive.
Yeah.
This
Because
one
they don't
is
have
so
many
big.
cows.
Yeah.
In Holland there's so many cows.
And then make it there.
Most of the there's one more team.
I can make a scooter.
Heel dat fabriek dat.
You're done, Mama?
Ja.
Maar 's morgens toch ook zo voor een eitje wat altijd deed. Je vindt het heerlijk.
Als het in de hand ligt, dan heb je pech.
Ja. Hij heeft er goed gereden.
Ah.
Maar. En ik had die wieselijk er ook bij gedaan.
Oh, like that?
Ja, het is toch een hele klomp ijs.
Dan moet je doen bij de thee.
But it's better without.
Dan zie je het vergeleken bij net.
Yeah, but John, I can complain to you and not against my mom.
Wat?
About you.